Morning, so trabaho na po ta na mga unit to Mitsubishi L200. So diesel to siya, so this is a diesel. So ito yung model na 4056. So model 4056. So check natin yung wiper. So walang problema. So Mitsubishi L200 o 2000 Strada. So yung pick up natin yung yung brakes. So makapal yung check natin ng maigi. So makapal yung brakes niya, walang problema. No problem. Tanggal ka ng langis sa so ito yung oil filter nya, ito tanggal nya langis. So ito yung yung preparation sa 40,000. Ito yung pure filter, part number nya, green plug with washer. So oil filter, ito yung AC filter, part number nya. Saka ito yung air filter. Ito yung sa engine oil, so 15W40. Yan, 15W40 At saka ito yung coolant, kasi yung ito 40,000, ito yung palit tayo ng coolant din. So sa steering fluid, yan, saka brake fluid. So ito preparation. So typical info to sa ito yung GL5 sa rear differential to siya. Yan, GL5. So sa transmission, manual to siya, 2-wheel drive, GL3. So ito yung GL3 yung GL3 yung ito yung part number sa GL3. So ito yung sa transmission So palit tayo ng palitan natin ng gear oil sa transmission. So GL3 dito sa GL5 So 4-tie rotation to siya. Lubricate mo na yung yung o-ring. So make it sure na siya. Yan, higpit lang. So lagyan natin ng oil. Yung complete video natin makita natin sa yung YouTube So complete video makita natin sa YouTube. Abangan niyo yung yung continuous to be continuous to sa YouTube na kompleto. So salamat, maraming salamat mga katropa. Salamat. Tapos yung engine oil, dito tayo sa So next is air filter. Tingnan mo, lumang-luma na So palitin ng bago. finished to install. This is the fuel filter. Pull out this one. So next is the fuel filter. So mayroong wire dito. I-drain natin ito yun. So ito yung mga filter part number. So ito yung, so i-dismantle natin. So nag-dismantle. So ito part number. Filter. This is the filter. Yan yung goma. Ito. So this is a new one. So maybe it duplicate first. So they have so check exactly so, now it's okay. Make it install. Now make it pump like this. Kung matigas na pwede mo na anuhin. You know. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Change oil. The gear oil of transmission, this one. Bundo. Sugar, Jim, sugar. Finish, put the bolt. So this is using for the GL3. This one for the manual transmission. This is a 12 drive, GL3 use. So check the label. Next is a red differential. Already finished. See? This is a GL5 using for this one for the differential. So lagyan natin GL5.
oh.